Websites like The New Scientist and Tech Times published articles theorizing that the only explanation for this phenomenon is that when the Big Bang happened, two universes were formed, ours and a sister universe that runs in reverse, aka time runs backwards in that universe. Now, one Antarctic research facility did chime in to dispel this experiment and disprove the theory that there's an inverse reality to ours. What facility was that? The Ice Cube. After hearing the reports that these anomalous neutrino particles were detected by Anita, Ice Cube, a facility designed to detect neutrinos, revisited its data to see if they detected similar events, and an article was published on icecube.wisc.edu that claims to rule out the explanation of Anita's findings, stating that they didn't detect this after running 3 searches through their data, trying to emulate the process Anita had undergone when they made their discovery. Essentially, what they're saying is you couldn't have detected this if we didn't. If we didn't detect it, it doesn't exist. Well, in the prequels, when Obi-Wan Kenobi went to the Jedi archives to ask the librarian for help finding Kamino, it wasn't recorded and therefore didn't exist. But in the prequels, Kamino did exist. And life is like the prequels. The mundane explanation that emerged was that these neutrinos were simply reflected off the ice into Anita's butt, which then made it seem like they were coming from Earth, despite Peter Gorham, one of the researchers who made the discovery, an actual participant in the Anita experiment, saying that it was not reflected at all. It was a new class of deep penetrating particle, more penetrating than a neutrino.
It could indicate that we're actually seeing a new class of subatomic particle that's very penetrating, even more penetrating than a neutrino, which is pretty hard to do. This particle would be passing through almost the entire Earth. So this could be an indication of some new type of physics, what we call beyond the standard model physics.
Which is revolutionary if so. And by revolutionary, I don't mean it affects me in any way at all, or you. Press like. The Pierre Auger Observatory in Argentina also sought to explore these findings by revisiting their data over an even more extended period from 2004 to 2018. And while they concur with the findings of the Ice Cube, they said that they did detect one anomalous event that matched the findings of Anita. And that event was ruled out as having reasonable room for error or it being a false positive. What's real anymore, dude? I don't know.